Hello, welcome to RevelatorAlf. So, just out on the adventure bike again. And what's the adventure today? Yes, it's being able to pack the weekly shopping onto the bike. Let's see if I can do it. I think I've overspent here and bought too much, but I think I'm gonna have to be a little bit creative. So let's see how I can do it. RevelatorAlf. There we go, looks like I've succeeded. Everything's packed away on the bike, brilliant. So that's how you go shopping at Asda on an adventure bike. One hell of an adventure. Right, catch you on the next video, and coming up very soon. Check out the website RevelatorAlf.com, subscribe, and yeah, it's been a bit embarrassing, lots of people watching me, and I'm just going to head off now. Ta-da.